Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to track any particular keyword for any domain. So you need to go and type what's my SERP. You can go on this website and you can easily use free tools. You can go here and click on SERP checker. For example, here I add WordPress website design services. Now you can select the country as well as you can select devices. So click here lookup button, and now here you will get all of the websites listed below. So for a website that you want to track, you can type, for example, I want to track for upwork.com. Then here you can see it is on 39 position, this one. So in this way you can easily track any particular keyword for any specific website.